Namaste, welcome back to the channel again. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how to make your hair look more beautiful using scarves or handkerchiefs, which is easily available in your home. If you don't have any, then just stole from your brother, just like me. It's so easy. Yes. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly you have to take one handkerchief and make it and fold it half, okay, like this way. Now you have to make your hair all the hair back like this way, and you can make it go like this. Keep it here and fold it from the back. This is so easy. As you can see, you are ready for the beach look. Yes. Now for the second look, make it fold from half and then start it like folding like this. Start folding like this. Okay. So start folding this way. You have to fold it like this. You have to make it. Then keep this one in the middle and take it back. Now tie this one. It's done. In this way you can make this. Make it from here more. You can like this way. Yes, it's done. For the third look also you have to fold this way. Now take this one from back of your hair like this way. Now manage your hair and tie this one here. Tie this one here and then make one more knot. It's done. You can see how it's easy to achieve these looks. How easy this is to get. So this is the final look. You can see it's very easy to make. And for the last look, if you don't have any rubber band, then you can tie with this thing only, like this way. Again tie this. Now it's done. Make it only one. Now it's done. You can see you are good to go. Now manage your hair whatever way you like, and you are good to go. That's it.